As we approach 11 o'clock, the Scots Guards Association Pipes and Drums will be joined by more than 120 pipers from around Scotland and as far afield as Peru, New Zealand and the Falklands, where it's winter too. The tune is composed, or was composed on the 13th of June 1982 by the Scottish pipe major James Riddle on the back of a ration pack in the midst of the decisive battle. The battle that led to the Argentine surrender at the end of the war the following day. The Crags of Tumbledown Mountain